In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Adobe subscription. To do this, go and open up Adobe, so just go to adobe.com and sign in. From there in the top right, you want to click on your profile picture, and then from there click Manage Account. Now after doing that, from there you want to click Plans and Payment, and then click Plans. Then here click Manage Plan, and then here you will see the available actions. So you can change your plan or you can end your subscription. Now for me it says free trial since I'm still in the 7-day free trial. But for you, if you're already paying, it should say subscription. So just click cancel right there. And then go and enter your password and confirm, and then you have cancelled your subscription. So that's how to cancel your Adobe subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.